General Electric is now up 1% after horrific news over the weekend. What does this say? GE is an embattled company. We know that. But here's the news that came out over the weekend. It's going to be removing some of its longest-serving board members. And if that wasn't bad enough, you have Warren Buffett publicly criticizing the billion-dollar conglomerate for not being upfront about its accounting practices, and now they have to restate two entire years. But why is the stock moving higher on 2, 3, 4 pieces of bad news, Charlie?
You know, before we get into some of the stuff that I hear, which is behind the scenes, and because this is an interesting Wall Street political story as well as a stock story. I don't know why the stock is up. I hasten to say that this is a bottom for the stock because there could be more bad news coming out.
There is an old, I guess you would call it a chestnut on
Right.
Wall Street, that when stocks rally on bad news, it means you may have hit a bottom.
Right. Here's what I think is happening. People are starting to calculate how much this thing will be if John Flannery, the current CEO, unwinds it and does basically sells off all the parts. And if the breakup fee, the breakup value is people are starting to think it's more than $13 a share. It's somewhere between 14 and 16 or 17.
It's now at $14.60.
So that's what I think is going on right now, and that's clearly a possibility that Flannery, the CEO, may just sell the whole thing and break it up, and make it 3 separate. Sell all the extraneous stuff. Then the 3 main unit was a technology, healthcare, and
well, you have the engines
and stuff like that. They would be separate companies trading on themselves, and that money would equate to a $17 share price. That's what we're talking about. The story, though, behind the scenes is very interesting because there's still a lot of sort of political gnashing of the teeth of who's responsible for, even if it's up $2 or $1. This is a company that's in desperate shape. The restatement of the earnings, but there is an issue here whether Jack Welch, the former CEO, the longtime former CEO, now a management guru, right? Whether he's going to come out publicly and defend himself, because Jack Welch's reputation has taken a fairly big hit.
Because people say you picked this guy when you had
picked
2 other
Jeff
candidates.
Immelt, who mismanaged the company. Not only that, there's another line of thinking that you handed Jeff Immelt a lemon. Despite how good GE was, it was big. It was way too big in too many extraneous businesses. It was relying on its stock price based on risk, taking risk on GE Capital, which almost blew the company up in 2008. That you handed Immelt, somebody who may or may not be qualified, but you still handed him something that was a ticking time bomb. And those 2 things are starting to resonate. And Welch is hearing that. And Welch is being advised by people, friends of his, get out ahead of this and tell your side of the story, because he's remained very quiet. We put a call into him today. He had no comment. We should say GE didn't return a call for comment. Jack said no comment specifically. Immelt didn't get back to us for a comment either. But that's what's going on behind the scenes. It's an interesting thing between the Welch loyalists. There's still a lot of them out there. And the Immelt people, who still has friends out there, who say, and analysts who are trying to figure out, why is the company in this shape? It's in very difficult shape right now. Besides the restatement of the earnings, Liz, there's a massive unfunded pension liability. There's a problem with cash flow, apparently, that they're just not selling enough stuff, including engines and things that Bob Nardelli, your former guest, your guest from the other day, pointed out. They're just not selling stuff enough, and there's a lot of stuff on a lot of inventories on the balance sheet they need to get off. They're having a hard time selling their transportation unit, the thing located in Chicago. We were talking the other day how private equity investors are balking at the price tag, which is something like $2.6 billion. So my point is, this is a company that it's got a little bit of a bounce today. It's still in desperate shape, and already the finger pointing is beginning between Welch people, Immelt people, and whether Welch comes out and says something. Friends are saying, you got to get ahead of this because it's your reputation. Remember what he is now. He's a management guru. I mean, Jack Welch left GE 16 years ago to be a management guru. That's what a lot of his defenders say. Listen, Mr. Emley, you had 16 years. Don't blame him.